Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. In today's video, I'll show you how to create unique and useful crafts from waste materials. Upcycling allows us to turn everyday trash into beautiful and functional treasures. I have three exciting projects for you: a denim pocket organizer, a plastic bottle herb garden, and a cereal box desk organizer. So let's get started with denim pocket organizer. Begin by cutting out the back pockets from an old pair of jeans, leaving some fabric around each pocket. Arrange the pockets on a piece of sturdy fabric or an old canvas bag in a visually appealing layout. You can place them in rows or a more scattered pattern. Sew or glue the pockets onto the fabric to create a handy storage organizer. This organizer can be hung on your wall to store tools, craft supplies, or even plants. The denim pockets add a rustic and chic look, making this both a functional and decorative piece. Next is plastic bottle herb garden. Start by collecting a few plastic bottles and cutting them in half. You will use the bottom half of each bottle for this project. Poke small drainage holes in the bottom of each bottle half. Fill the bottles with potting soil and plant your favorite herbs such as basil, mint, or parsley. Arrange the bottles on a sunny window sill or attach them to a wooden pallet to create a vertical garden. This upcycled herb garden is perfect for small spaces and provides you with fresh herbs for cooking. And the last one is cereal box desk organizer. Start by cutting the cereal box diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner of the same side, creating a slanted open top. You can cover the box with decorative paper or fabric to give it a polished look. Inside, add dividers made from additional cardboard pieces to create separate compartments for pens, scissors, and other office supplies. This desk organizer helps keep your workspace tidy and makes great use of an item that would otherwise be discarded. These three unique crafts demonstrate how you can creatively reuse waste materials to make stunning and functional items. Not only do these projects help reduce waste, but they also provide a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity. I hope you enjoyed these unique DIY projects. For more innovative ideas, subscribe to DIY Creations and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Happy crafting!